Okay, let's talk about the front rack position with the barbell. This is a very important position that we're gonna need for our front squats, for different positions where I'm gonna have you guys in this position doing split squat variations, lunge variations, even into a push press variation. And we're gonna go over some of the common mistakes and some ways that we can help get into that better position, okay? So one of the most common mistakes that I see is when people do this, they are keeping the elbows down like this. The other mistake that I see is they are keeping it on their shoulders, right? On the basically the front of these delts. If you notice, if I didn't have my hands here, this barbell would roll right off, okay? We don't want that. We want to get to understand first and foremost where the barbell needs to be sitting on this nice little shelf right here. So what I want you guys to do at home is to do a little drill where we're just gonna get up close and personal next to the barbell, almost like it's choking us out, and we're putting both hands out in front, just like this, thumbs up, and we're just walking it out. And I just want you to get nice and comfortable in this position. And as you can see from the side here, this barbell isn't going anywhere, okay? So from here, I can do my squat just as a drill, okay? And then, once I understand where the barbell needs to be sitting, I'm gonna add my hands to the equation. So ideally, we wanna have all 4 fingers right here, and then we want to punch our elbows up. Notice that the barbell is still right here, and I just have my hands on the bar now to support. But I'm punching the elbows up the entire time when I pull the barbell back into this front rack position. Now, let's say we have some limitations and some discomfort in the front of the wrist, or maybe it's in the triceps or the lats. That's something that we can work on later with mobility work and some soft tissue work. But in the meantime, we can simply just take some of the fingers out of the equation and just use our 2 fingers just like this, put them here, and same thing, punch up, get it on that nice shelf that we worked on earlier, and keep the elbows punched up the entire time as we go through the exercise, okay? So, a couple easy ways to help you get in that nice front rack position with the barbell. All right?